Hi, my name is Joe Boyd, and I'm the Senior Director of Sales and Customer Experience at Environmental Express. Today we're going to talk about sample preparation for the metals analysis workflow. Up to 90% of your analytical error can come from sample preparation, so it's imperative that you have the right products. At Environmental Express, we manufacture products for the sample preparation workflow to help you achieve the most precise analytical results that your laboratory can do. Today we're going to focus on our 50 milliliter digestion workflow, and within this starter kit you'll find everything from digestion tubes to watch glasses to the filtration apparatuses needed to get your sample ready for analysis. Inside the digestion tube starter kit you'll find digestion tubes with different colored caps, reflux caps, watch glasses, filter mates, and flip mates. All of these items that are designed to make your laboratory more efficient and to provide you the most accurate results as possible. Our Certi tubes and Ulti tubes are certified for 68 elements, and every graduation mark is volume certified as well. Tubes are constructed of polypropylene and are suitable for all US EPA digestion methods. If your digestion method requires a reflux step, Environmental Express manufactures watch glasses and reflux caps made out of the same polypropylene resin as our digestion tubes. Watch glasses have handles for ease of lifting the watch glass off to add reagent. Reflux caps have an open center, which makes it easy to pipette without removing it, and are ideal for automation. After digestion, samples are removed from the hot block and allowed to cool. The samples are reconstituted with deionized water, and then it is important to filter out all particulates that did not digest during the digestion process. Becky is demonstrating the filter mate, which works like a coffee press. The barrel filter is loaded to the top of the tube and then pressed down the length of the tube using the plunger. All particulate is trapped to the bottom of the tube, and now your sample is ready for analysis. An alternative to the filter mate is our flip mate device. The flip mate is a filtering device that can be screwed onto the top of your dirty sample, and then a clean digestion tube is added to the top. The device is then flipped over and added to our manifold. The manifold can accommodate both 100 ml size digestion tubes as well as our 50 ml digestion tubes. The FlipMate manifold can accommodate up to 12 samples, which can all be filtered at one time. To learn more about sample digestion products and all the other products that Environmental Express makes, visit us at environmentalexpress.com and contact your local sales rep for a free sample pack.